you're new here, my name is Anna, and I'm a 21-year-old living with cerebral palsy, and I upload new videos all about disability awareness and my life every week. So if that interests you, please consider subscribing. This video is going to be a little bit different because it is going to be an informative video combined with a vlog because I recently went to a work convention, and along the way I learned something about my health and how I handle, when you say me, what would you call it?
Situations that might make you nervous or uncomfortable or whatever.
Right. So I'm going to talk about that a little, but then make sure you hit around to see all the fun I had. So some of you may know I did a video on this a little while back. I borderline anxiety.
Little anxiety.
When you say that.
Yes, you have anxiety sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes not.
Most of the time not. It doesn't hinder my daily living activity or anything like that. I can help happen on a daily. However, I do experience it in more events, or more outings or whatever. And then I also experience it in health situations, not so much when I'm gonna say to a person, but more so hear that person not knowing what to do when I need help with a certain aspect of living with cerebral palsy.
Like if you don't have a helper around who knows you real well.
Right.
That kind of fear, yeah.
Right. And that happens minimally every time someone new comes around. No matter what.
Mm-hmm.
And then also I have it a little bit here thing in routine as well.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel that holding my new horseback riding journey, which I talked a little bit earlier this year about.
So you want to talk about situations,
right.
like, so you want to talk about like, what are some situations that make you kind of reluctant, and it's sometimes you want to speak up about that. Or...
Right. So now, how do I want to word this?
You want to talk about different situations, like graduation?
I did.
Well, the different types is. Yeah, I guess you did. Yeah, that's true. So, I guess you want to talk about what do you do, like when you've got something coming up, and rather than find yourself in the situation, say, think about it ahead of time, you know.
Rather than going into a situation and not to say that you couldn't try, because you can only try to the best of your ability, but walk into it knowing that it's okay to have situation along the way, and then make reasonable accommodations for you as a person. So some of the accommodations may include like saying something to a teacher or a friend who can then tell someone, or may
that you might need a break at a certain time, or you might
break, or you might not want to prevent alone, or you might a presentation sort of thing, or say, hey, I used to do this way, and you can talk to so and so about how I did that, or that's how I handled my horseback riding hear things.
Mm-hmm. And then you also talked about COVID, like if the situation from a COVID standpoint kind of freaks you out, you might find out ahead of time what is the physical setup going to be.
Right.
Are there going to be crowded? Are there going to be people right next to me that I don't know?
Right.
You know, what is it going to? You can kind of ask people, how's this thing going to set up? What's it going to be like? That way, when you get there, you aren't shocked, which kind of raises the anxiety. And so sometimes asking a few questions up front can make things a lot more comfortable when you get there. Then you're not surprised by it.
Right.
Yep.
Well, may also seeing what other options there are for attending a certain event or doing a certain thing.
You mean like, can I do it virtually?
Yeah.
Can I blah, 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 yeah.
Can I do it virtually? Can I be placed further away, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Can I record my presentation in advance and have it sent to whoever, you know?
Yeah.
You know, can I make a video about how I do this with so and so you can watch it, you know?
Mm-hmm. They're all good things.
But hey, what else?
I guess the only other thing is just the importance of...
And the one thing I learned through my massive amount of things throughout the last few months, my really wanted to sing in the most wonderful way. A couple months ago would be important to try new things and learn how to accommodate along the way as well.
Yeah, because you were talking about how, you know, sometimes if you have a fear about something, asking questions, finding out about it can help your fear be, you know, lessened a little bit. But sometimes it's easy, especially with people with disabilities, sometimes the people around you are willing to make every possible accommodation and not make you really do anything. And sometimes it's good to take a little risk, and even if you're a little afraid, find out everything you can, try to make adjustments so you're not, you know, it's not going to be too anxious. But on the other hand, you don't want to just opt out of everything because you're a little bit afraid. Because the reality is everyone's afraid. It doesn't matter if you have a disability or not, or anxiety or not. Everybody has anxiety about stuff. And, you know, I get worried about things at work that I have to do, but I just sort of say, you know what, I'm going to do it. Or if I'm, you know, if I have a choice to go to some function to meet people or not, it's a lot easier to stay home and watch TV. But in the end, sometimes you want to push yourself a little bit and grow, and you'll find out that you maybe can get through things better, and you might the next time be a lot less afraid of it. So, you know, don't let people make it too easy for you to opt out of everything and be afraid of everything. Because sometimes it builds on itself, and pretty soon you can't do anything.
I don't remember, I didn't say the point of the bond, but I said I had to be the work invested early because I had a bit of anxiety about COVID and whatnot.
About COVID, yeah.
But I had the best time. When time I was there, I would not move back. Take it back in any form.
Yeah.
You might well see if you continue from the vlog part of the video. How I hope this video helped you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the footage that I gathered throughout my weekend, and comment down below if you have any other topics that you need advice on.
Or if they have ideas, if you have ideas, like how do you deal with things that are a little bit scary to you or bring up anxiety? How do you make that better, and how do you go about doing something that you were a little bit afraid to do? It'd be interesting to see if people have ideas.
All right.
Cool.
Enjoy the rest of the video.
Bye.
Oh, say bye. I'm gonna start the video.
Uh-oh. Don't say bye. Hi.
On the way to Columbia. Welcome to the vlog. I probably won't be able to vlog the work, but I am going to vlog the
Express, and they got horns, like loud sound horns that face backwards on their roof. We have no idea what it is, but we're gonna catch up to them and see what in the heck it is.
I'll tell you, man.
Maybe they're zombie hunters.
Possible.
Possible. You never know.
Anyone know what it is? Please let us know in the comments.
See the horns on top of their
We
roof?
have no idea.
Big like sound speakers, loudspeakers on their roof facing backwards. Don't know what this is. Let me see if I can catch up. Peace. It says peace on it. Maybe it's disturbing the peace with all those speakers.
Alright. Made it to Columbia. We had a TV, a dad on the bed, and 2 beds. A living area, the hallway to, and then we have a me, hello, and then my desk area, where I have my computer, my bathroom, and then my purse.
So Anna, how's your dinner going in Columbia?
Hi, hold up to PSN.
You like their dinner recommendations? Were they pretty good?
Doing me dirty.
How was the pizza place? Was it great?
They often put me out.
They're closed. So we thought, hey, we'll go to Harpo's. PSN loves to hang out there. Oh wait, they had a water main break and they can't get into Harpo's. Oh wow, strike 2. Now what, Anna? Where does PSN tell us to go next?
I'm gonna take a picture of the next day.
All right. See ya. Why did I just get a message that says my Panera order is ready? Like mom ordered something? My account? That'd be weird.